Marina House by Parte Arquitetura in Pelotas, Brazil. The house is located on an urban lot with 525 square meters of surface area. Located in Marina Ilha Verde, Pelotas-RS, bathed by Arroio Pelotas and other artificial channels. The building is located along the south side of the land, which creates a side patio that runs the entire length of the house. On the ground floor, the organization is based on exposed concrete plans that direct the views, guarantee the privacy of the social area and protect the service sector. The side access leads residents through an internal courtyard. The other enclosures on the ground floor are transparent, ensuring views of the internal courtyard, other external areas and the canal at the end of the lot. The entrance hall is made up of exposed concrete walls that contrast with the slatted wooden doors, the hydraulic tiles on the floor, produced by a traditional factory in the city, and the vegetation of the internal courtyard, which visually invades the room through the frames. Through a longitudinal circulation, it is possible to access the integrated kitchen, living room, and balcony. The laundry room is resolved in a longitudinal line along the southern limit, and connects again to the garage and the front of the lot. The recessed gables and the transparent enclosures on the ground floor reinforce the perception of the upper volume, compact and opaque, which projects itself to form the car shelter at the front and the balcony at the back. This composition is evident in the strategy of subtracting the frames, which preserves the integrity of the volume. On the second floor, the circulation remains longitudinal, formed by an exposed concrete walkway that also opens onto the internal courtyard, leading to the bedrooms and the main suite, resolved in a transversal arrangement, oriented towards the front and the back. A new section of vertical circulation gives access to the terrace, from where you have the main view of the house, towards the canal, and the subsequent environmental preservation area that goes to Arroio Pelotas.